Hey, this is Angela Murad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. I updated CoughDrop on my full-size iPad and am experiencing the same thing that Charlene shared a video about. I can't replicate it with Josh because I don't have access to that voice. I've already used my 2 voices that are allotted, and I have Ella and Valeria. But here's what's happening with Ella again on the preview screen.
Do you like my voice? This is how I sound.
It sounds fine.
¿Te gusta mi voz? Así es como sueno.
But then whenever I go over to here and test it.
Do you like my voice?
Oh, Lord. So it's very drawn out and very
This is how I sound.
awful. Just when I thought things couldn't get worse. All right. Dashboard, speak mode. Let's give it, and I've already tried deleting the app and reinstalling it. I already tried a forced restart. That did not resolve the issue.
I do not
Oh, Lord.
like it.
Oh, I hope you guys put the fast track on fixing this.
I do not like it.
Oh, sensory nightmare. Anyway, yeah, so it's not just one person. I'm having the same issue now.